Hi guys, J Lopez, C Davis, the Railways here, 925 here. Welcome to reaction to Phony 13. What's this? Hi back.
Hello everyone, it's Fernie and welcome back to another video. And yes, I found that I can record on another app, which is this one. It's called Train Drive ATS. So it's number one, it's the light version.
Yes, light version is last
yeah,
3 years ago, 2018. So they're playing it.
Yes.
Yes.
Working good?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, that was mommy.
Today
Alright, so we're gonna start select train or
today.
viewpoint. We're gonna go with Watabashi Station, my favorite.
What's the station?
And we're just gonna watch the trains go by. We're not gonna do anything, we're just gonna watch them go by. And one train just went past. Oh, there is another one coming.
And
also, we're gonna put it in fast forward mode because we don't wanna wait. Watch the train pass by. This train's gonna stop.
바람이 울려든 ring 서로의 길이 닿을 때마다 알면서 빙빙 도는데 점점 다가갔잖아. I know it's right. 난 속으로 나 알고 있잖아. 결국에는 손을 넘게 될 거라는 걸. I'm warning to myself. 너 그러면 안 돼. 매번 맺혀 내 맘이 내 맘을 좋아해. Out of control. 하늘을 감시하는 저 spotlight. 빛일수록 어둠 속으로 빨려들어. 끝이 보이는데 I know it's not right. I can't stop me, can't stop me. 내 앞에 놓여진 이 red light. 더 남편은 너와는 이미 눈을 쳐. 느끼고 싶어 짜릿한 highlight. I can't stop me, can't stop me. 딱 한 번만 너로 머리 잡기 전 lights off tonight. 넌 참을 수 없을 것 같아. Losing myself. 세상은 turning back. 불가능해 난 점점 더 깊이 너로 내. 너는 짜릿해. 내 눈을 감을래. 다시는 돌아갈 수 없을 것만 같아. Out of control. 내리고 싶은 spotlight. 지칠수록 어둠 속으로 빨려들어. 끝이 보이는데 I know it's not right. I can't stop me, can't stop me. 내 앞에 놓여진 이 red light. 건너편에는 원한 예비 눈을 맞춰. 느끼고 싶어 짜릿한 highlight. Can't stop me, can't stop me. Whiskey, this is an emergency. Happy, so much fun because I know I can't stop me. 떨리고 있잖아. 근데 가고 있잖아. 이러고 싶지 않다 내 안에 내가 또 있나봐. 나는 원하는 게 안 돼. 끝이 난 싫은데 I can't stop me, can't stop me, can't stop me. 나를 감시하는 저 spotlight. 빛일수록 어둠 속으로 빨려들어. 끝이 보이는데 I know it's not right. I can't stop me, can't stop me. 내 앞에 놓여진 이 red light. 넌 남편인 너는 이미 눈을 맞춰. 느끼고 싶어 짜릿한 highlight. I can't stop me, can't stop me. I can't stop me, can't stop me.
Here comes another Community Limit Express. And also, maybe at one point in the video, actually, yeah, I do have a plan. So, yes?
Take that shoe you have on and put this one.
Yeah, mommy's here. guys, that was just mommy who came by, and
With the family.
and yeah, earlier today when my mommy was getting dressed for the day, she gave me a sweatshirt and no t-shirt, and the sweatshirt was so heavy I was burning to death. So mommy gave me a lighter shirt for the night, cause recording. Yeah. Ooh, wow, yeah. I'm recording. So once this gets to 9 o'clock, I'll put the video in normal speed, and after 5 minutes, I'll put it back on fast forward, because I don't want to bore you guys to death.
Wow.
Here comes a train. It's an express. Here we go.
Okay, faster. Faster train.
Well, that train is fast. It was going like 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Yes.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. What's
Yeah.
coming next? Ooh, another express. Well, it's... Oh. Oh, man, my game crashed.
No, game crash.
That's upsetting.
Oh,
Hopefully it didn't cancel the
game
recording. Let's
crash.
check.
It's.
Oh, no, it's still recording. Alright. Let's go for it. Oh, no. Copyrighted music. Must mute it. Yeah. For some reason, there was too many trains in the area and the game crashed.
Oh no.
That's never happened to me before. Probably because I was recording. But, you know, things happen when you record. It's like in Train Simulator, the frame rate is very high, but, yeah, start a new scenario. We have to start at 8:30 again. Oh. Actually, let's just go to 9 o'clock. What about... Oh, actually, no. Alright, start. And the train just left. Oh my god. So it's 9:04. So, 9 o'clock. So, after, once this gets to 9:15, or, yeah, 9:05, then I'll set it back to normal speed. Or fast forward speed. However, I will speed it up while the trains are waiting to come past. Yeah, so this is just so you guys can see how fast the trains really go. Ooh, train coming. Limited Express. I think, is it gonna stop here or gonna go past? Looks like it's gonna stop here. Yeah. Oops, I forgot to turn up the... So that's how fast the express train's really going. I forgot to turn up the sound. Yeah, sorry guys. Sadly, there's not a rewind. Yeah, you can go forward, but you can't go back. It's sad. Oh. Alright, so in 2 minutes I'm gonna go back to fast forward speed. And it crashed again.
Oh, nag-crash again, ulit.
Oh, never mind.
Kaya mo na.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video here because it's just gonna keep on crashing and I'm afraid something bad is gonna happen. And I don't want to lose the recording, so I've recorded for about 8 minutes straight. And this is gonna be a continuing series, so the next episode is gonna be longer. So expect more videos to come. So I'll see you guys next time in the next episode. That is. Oh, and also I think we'll go for about 30 likes and see what we do. Yeah. Actually, let's just go for 5 likes. That's good enough, because my channel is very poor. I have 38 subscribers, but they don't ever check my stuff out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.
Yes. I see you in next video. And subscribe for official J Lopez. I see you in next episode. Bye-bye. Next videos now.